Welcome to our civil segment. Seequent and Bentley are helping to build a more resilient future by connecting the built world above ground with the hidden world below. Keep watching as our team takes you through how this shared vision is helping deliver successful projects around the globe.
Seequent solutions are supporting the global civil sector by helping you get a better understanding of the subsurface. This allows you to make better decisions and communicate and collaborate with your project stakeholders. Seequent is the Bentley subsurface company. Bentley is a well-known company in the civil industry, and we are working together to give clients a complete picture. Bentley provides solutions above the ground, and Seequent provides solutions below the ground. So together we connect the built world above the ground with the subsurface. Some examples of how our civil solutions support customers are using our geotechnical software to mitigate risks. You can use GeoStudio with SlopeW and SeepW to analyze dam data to find out where factors of safety might be of concern. You can also use Seequent geological modeling tools like Leapfrog Works to visualize the subsurface in 3D and better communicate any changes as the project life goes on. Seequent helps better connect customers and their data by bringing all of the information for a project into one place. You can combine geological models with engineering designs, BIM workflows, your groundwater models, and geotechnical data to get a complete picture of the project. We've got a lot of new and exciting solutions that will help the Seequent civil segment. We're always looking for new ways to help our clients communicate and collaborate and visualize their projects. On the data management side, we're constantly developing and improving Seequent Central for project management and collaboration. OpenGround is another exciting tool for cloud-based data management. New 3D analysis tools are being developed for GeoStudio, and we are very excited for some new solutions to hit the market in early 2023. OpenTunnel is also being debuted for the tunneling industry.
OpenTunnel Designer is the first and only purpose-built software for tunnel designers. A few years ago, we realized that tunnel designers are missing a good workflow, nothing from the beginning of the project all the way to the end. There are a lot of different disciplines are involved, and all those disciplines were using different tools. And those tools were not talking to each other. That makes things very difficult for the tunnel design projects, increases the risk, increases the cost, reduces the efficiency. So we said that let's build OpenTunnel Designer to fill in that gap. OpenTunnel Designer creates intelligent and parametric models without any scripting needs. It's also connected to a geotechnical analyzer that makes things even better for tunnel designers to increase the efficiency and gain time and reduce cost. It also gets connected to Leapfrog to get the geological model, produces the intelligent and parametric models, and push it to the geotechnical analyzer, Plaxis in this case, to produce all the deliverables from a centralized data perspective. OpenTunnel Designer has been used by our early access users in the last 2 years in projects such as a masonry lining tunnel rehabilitation, a TBM tunnel maintenance, and also conventional tunnel construction in an urban, densely populated area.
OpenTunnel Designer is obviously a multidisciplinary solution, and setting the specifications out has required us many iterations over the numerous experts that we have in-house, going from geologists to BIM modeler and finally geotechnical engineers.
We wanted to create a full solution, not a siloed product. To create a full solution, we needed expertise from Seequent side and Bentley side. We needed geologists, we need BIM modelers, we need geotechnical analyzer. Therefore, we had to closely work and we have to iterate it. We needed to run it by our early access users, iterate it again until we find the perfect solution.
With Open Tunnel Designer, we are closing the circle of an integrated tunnel design workflow. We can perform the whole process within the Bentley and Seequent portfolio, from borehole data capture to management to geological and geotechnical modeling and beam tunnel design. It's a two-way road. We can import the Open Tunnel Designer model into Leapfrog Works to see it within the geological and geotechnical context, and we can do it the other way around. We are removing the siloing, and we are connecting our technical software and people, and ultimately feeding a better understanding of the project.
Leapfrog geological data connection to Open Tunnel Designer is going to be really helpful from the centralized data environment perspective and a connected workflow perspective. Integration with Leapfrog to Open Tunnel Designer is obviously very important from the connected workflow and centralized data environment standpoint. In addition to this, Open Tunnel users will be able to see the soil layers or geological layers to be able to create the tunnel alignment for tunnel object to be created. Because we believe in the connected data environment is vital for tunnel design, certainly one of the very important things to enhance is the connection between Leapfrog to Open Tunnel Designer and Open Tunnel Designer to Plaxis. As an example, in the next releases, we'll be investing on creating a construction scheduler to be able to push the data to Plaxis for geotechnical analysis.
For geotechnical engineers to do a proper geotechnical design, they need to be informed by the existing geological conditions. A 3D geological model of the site allows the geotechnical engineers to create a proper design. Often the geotechnical design will identify areas of uncertainty that require additional geological information. When the geological engineer creates an updated model of the site using the additional acquired information, the geotechnical design can be updated dynamically without having to start over. Often today, this workflow is done in silos. The geologists work with their own data, geotechnical engineers have their own designs, and the project engineers simply have a copy of all that data that was produced. If we have a connected ecosystem where data can be updated dynamically and people are working together, the opportunities to grow this ecosystem are endless.